ABCETC, Learning Made Easy. Module 5. Interpret plus, minus, and equal sign. In this module, we will interpret plus, minus, and equal signs. Understand that plus and minus represent addition and subtraction. Understand that equal is the same as the plus sign is addition. That is bringing two or more numbers or things together to make a new total. Addition. For example, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Addition. In numerals, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. With words, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Changing the position of the numbers we are adding still gives the same answer. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Addition table. To use the addition table, for example, 3 plus 7, go across the 3 row, then down the 7 column. You have your answer 10. Time for quiz. What is the answer? 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. What's the answer in words? The minus sign is subtraction. That is taking one number away from another. For example, 10 minus 7 . is equal to 3 in numerals. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 with words. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. To use the subtraction table, for example, 10 minus 7, go across the 10 row, go down the 7 column, you have your answer 3. Time for quiz. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 10 minus 1. Is equal to 9. The equal sign is the same as, that is, both sides are the same. 1 plus 9 is the same as 9 plus 1. This is the end of this session. You are now able to interpret plus, minus, and equal sign. In the next session, we will be introduced to using a calculator. ABCetc, learning made easy.